Kater and I are going on our first camping trip to Northern Exposures Campground in Mesick, which is actually where Rob's first camping trip was. Are you excited?
Yeah.
The car is so packed full, you got to go on the other side.
What side?
Look at this car. Packed to the brim.
Ah!
Can you fit?
Well, yeah, I can definitely.
Northern Exposure Campground is the one on Hodenpile Dam. So it's like on a lake. We have a really cool camp spot. It's going to be awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm so pumped. Here we go. We're here, kitty. All right, so here's our first step when we're camping. We survey our campsite. Here it is, right on the lake, which is awesome. We got to figure out where we want our tent and our stuff.
I feel like we should put it there.
There?
Oh,
I think we should put it right here, because then we're close to the electric.
oh, bad,
Yeah?
Is this a walking question?
All right, we've got our campsite pretty well set up. I did forget my sleeping bag, but Kate packed her donut blanket, so I can use that. Not a bad setup here.
Could you help me down? Hey! Ow.
They have a dangle bar, so Kate's in heaven, right?
Yeah.
Cat.
Goat. This is a great time to make a video.
Bro, we gotta put the rain thing on our tent.
Are you talking to the camera?
Oh, I'm talking to you.
Well, what is with that camera?
I'm taking your video.
Wow. What for?
For drianashton.com.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be the most popular video in the world.
Yeah?
Okay? Please! Help me!
You...
I can't get up. Oh, guys.
Got my mobile office set up here. Notice on Facebook, get a fair number of comments about how little I work. And the fact is, I don't take time off work very often. Like on Power Tour, I actually check out. Pretty much any other time, I'm always available or online on my iPad here, so. Sliming. Morning camping. Just made some bacon. Gonna go for a bike ride.
I just had a donut. We have 2 more donuts left.
Donuts and bacon. How was your first camping trip?
Great.
Do you love camping?
Yeah. I don't want to leave.
Yeah, I don't want to leave either, but Gotta go home and see Mom and pick Rob up from his camp.
Wait. You said he came back tomorrow.
I said go home and see Mom and pick up Rob from his camping.
We're picking up Rob today?
Tomorrow.
Oh, I could have gotten dots.
Video evidence that we do brush our teeth when we're camping, at least once. I don't want to be done either. Goodbye, campsite. You were good to us.
Look up my nose.
So weird.